Hi guys, I'm Matt with MarineMax Danvers. Today we're looking at the 2024 Boston Whaler 160 Sport. This boat's going to come with a trailer that has a swing tongue. This is going to make it really easy for towing as well as storing it in your garage. This boat comes powered with a 90 horsepower Mercury 4-stroke outboard. At the transom, you're going to have a 4-step stainless steel reboarding ladder. Makes it really easy for getting in and out of the water. This boat is going to have stainless steel hardware throughout, a molded fiberglass bench seat with different seating options available as dealer options. It's going to have 2 stainless steel cup holders in the middle of that bench seat, as well as a cooler. At the helm, we're going to have a stainless steel steering wheel, tachometer, anchor and navigation lights, as well as your Mercury throttle and shift controls. Forward of the helm, you're going to have a small glove box, perfect for keeping any of those little items you need. And up at the bow, we're going to have a large anchor locker. I'm Matt with MarineMax Danvers, and this is the 2024 Boston Whaler 160 Sport. Feel free to reach me at 561-400-6721 to get yours today.